lives are shaped in silence, and some stories, if never spoken, disappear forever. If my experiences were never known, then everything I survived would have been for nothing. I've gone through more than most people will ever see. I survived it, and survival alone isn't enough. This story had to be spoken. One of the hardest truths I had to face was, this love is not a word. Love is an action. How people treat you is how they truly feel about you. And learning that changed everything. These books exist for two reasons. The first is to give black roses to those who tried to destroy my inner light as a child, not out of hatred, but acknowledgement. And the second is to free my childhood self from bondage. This could never live in one book. The first two volumes speak to awareness, growth, survival, and resilience. The third stands as proof that when God has His hands on you, no weapon formed against you will prosper. Not all good people finish last. Notice your children. Love them. Protect them. Because children become adults, and those childhood experiences shape what they give to mankind. This is my story.